Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4 Girls Jewelry. I hope I will motivate you to pick up some wires and wire wrap with me and create this very simple heart-shaped veil. I use only 16 gauge wire today, some 24 inside, and you can use any gemstones you like. And I like it that is very flexible. You can just make it for any chain, commercial chain. So let's pick up some wires, start wire wrapping. So this is 16 gauge wire. It's pretty long, but that also depends how many wraps you want it over here. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can make it a little bit smaller if you wanted to, but basically almost all of them, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these, I believe this one a thinner wire I use. So yeah, about 12. And this is size 7 US, just a needle for knitting, and I will use that. So I roughly, you have to leave a tail, and I will coil it by hand. I will leave a little tail like this for my heart. This tail should be, let me see how long it is. That's like 4 inches long. And then we will coil another side. And how long you want it, right? I will do 12 again. You can nicely squish them together. Later you can polish it. So I know it's off the camera, but that's just coiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you do it without the telephone filming you on top, just take it slow, push it nicely together. The coils should be nicely done. So now we will end up with the 2 little sticking pieces of wire. What I do is I try to line them up almost the same so they come nicely in the same direction. And then what I do is just hold, and I try to put this wire very close to the coil, and about the middle, you just push this wire out. Same with the other part. Push it all the way. Just take it slow, don't rush. And then where they meet. So all you have to do is stuff like that. Now I can cut excess because it will just irritate more, right? So now with just make sure it's aligned nicely. Make a few adjustments to it. And if they are sitting perfect the way how you want it, we can take 24 gauge. You don't need a lot of 24 gauge, just a piece. You can take 24 gauge wire and start from any of those 2. So I pick up this one, just make like 3 wraps so you can nicely attach the wire. Just make sure it's nicely tacked. And I do my favorite weave, which is like 2 together, then between, around 1, go down, hug the first wire, and we repeat the same thing again. So we go together 2, then I hug this one, go down, hug the first one, and 2 together, and it repeats the same. 1, 2, go together, 1, 2, together. Depends how long you wanted this veil to be. I probably will stop here. Also, make sure it's all the way to the top. It's the last adjustment thing. Some of them I made a little bit longer, more wraps. That's also up to you. Maybe I can make one more. 1, 2, around, and probably that's it. Also, I will do like 3 wraps to just make sure it's nicely tucked. And now we will make a little coil for this part where the jump ring will go. You can use your veil maker plier, and I just go around, and then I split them in 2. So one wire goes this way, the other wire goes that way, and then the wire from here goes across, and this goes here. It's just a little fiddly because you have to keep tension on the little circles here, but yeah, so it will be like this. That's the little thing where the jump rings will go. And now it's time to form a little heart. So what I do is I use the bigger one, like size 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4. So I just make a little heart shape. It looks funny. It has to be more straight here. Yeah, now it's more look like a heart. So just take your time, and what I want to do is to push this wire inside, and I will hug this wire inside here. Sometimes it's wanted to mess the design. Make sure it's just yeah, stuff like this. And because we have this wire around this one, I will just push it and cut. So that excess wire, I love when it's touched the wire in the front. I will show you what I mean. So I like when this little piece goes right there. It's go right here. And then we do the same with the other part. If you wanted to make sure it's sitting properly, sorry. Now the same thing. Up. And even remove from the needle. Just try to make as symmetrical as possible. can go inside now. Push it. Cut. And we are pushing this wire to sit the right way right here. And we have our veil heart. You can just make adjustments, push it the right way, just go slow. You can make a beautiful piece. Now it will be time to hammer, because I hammer very nicely this part, and it will make a little noises. So if you want even more hammer, you can even more hammer, and your veil will be done. So if you want it, you can make this these hearts to stick a little bit to them. Like I want to show you what I mean. Like this heart, I pushed these a little bit up, so you can also take your any pliers that you have that will not mark wires, but like so you can do that. You can also push them after you hammer. You can push it a little bit to the front, and then all you want to do, use your any jump ring plus your round beads, or doesn't have to be round, could be different beads. I hope you guys will like this idea. So it's very simple, and you can put even leather cord through it. If you don't like chains, you can put leather cord, any chains, commercially done, already prepared, already with the clasp. All they can go with this design. Thank you for watching. I will see you next Tuesday, or maybe sometimes this week. See you guys. Thank you for watching.